Peace to everyone. As you know, the Jussie Smollett thing is going on, and of course, people are saying that he faked all this attack and everything else. And Jussie is claiming that he was innocent, he didn't do nothing wrong, and that this was not fake. A Cook County judge ruled Thursday that a camera would be allowed in the courtroom during actor Jussie Smollett's arraignment hearing. Smollett's next hearing is set for 9 a.m. Thursday. So, Jussie Smollett has a hearing coming up this Thursday at 9 a.m. And the judge has okayed the cameras to be in the courtroom so they could have all this going on. There has been a lot of misinformation in this case that has been presented as fact and evidence against Mr. Smollett, and that is demonstrably false, said Smollett's attorney Tina Gladian as he walked out of the courthouse. We welcome cameras in the courtroom so that the public and the media can see the actual evidence, and we believe is the actual lack of evidence against Mr. Smollett, and we look forward to complete transparency and the truth coming out. So that his lawyer is saying, yes, we are welcoming the cameras into the courtroom so they could see all the evidence of what was going on and why a lot of misinformation is going on and everything else. The judge assigned to the case will rule on whether there will be cameras allowed at future hearings. So now the judge is going to have to decide on his own if there will be cameras for the future hearings or not. Meanwhile, an attorney for the brothers involved in the case says her clients were betrayed by Smollett. I believe my clients were betrayed, Gloria Schmidt said on CNN's AC 360, referring to brothers. I can't even say those names, so don't ask me how to say them because I am a terrible um, speller and terrible with foreign names, so don't judge me. You have to look at what kind of relationship they had with Mr. Smollett. He's a celebrity. This is somebody who is in possession of power over my clients. So the brothers' attorneys, they said, well, you all know CNN is a bunch of lying rats, and that's why they're getting sued, by the way. But the lawyer for the brothers, man, they're saying all that Mr. Smollett is lying about this and that, and we don't know what the outcome of it's going to be. She added, we've seen a lot of stories in the news where celebrities think they might be above the law. It's just not the case. Police detained the two brothers, but police sources revealed authorities suspected Smollett knew the men and paid them to stage the attack. So the police are saying that Jussie Smollett had paid all this money for the brothers to stage the attack, and and it's just kind of ridiculous. And they think that or I should say, the brothers' lawyer saying that the celebrities think they're above the law, but she's full of garbage. The brothers were released without being charged. Smollett was indicted on 16 felony counts of disorderly conduct. He has denied, any involvement in orchestrating an attack. So Smollett was definitely indicted on 16 felony counts and disorderly conduct, and he's denied every single one of those involvement in orchestrating an attack. And as you can see, that this is not looking good for him right now because CNN, they tell a bunch of lies, and we can never trust them because they're fake news anyways. So we'll see what's going to happen with Jussie when all this court stuff comes out. I'm out.